Hello and good morning, feeders. Today is May 23rd, 2021, and my name is DJ. This is our first weekly video summary at the request of our community, and also the 1 month anniversary of Feeder Finance. Woohoo! A lot of progress has been made on the project as a whole this week. We'll be discussing timelines, new marketing plans, new articles, community updates, among other things. However, it may also be helpful to quickly discuss what is happening in the cryptocurrency markets. A little over a year ago, the market reversed and we entered a new bull market. This came after a 3-year-long bear and consolidation period, which saw aggregate crypto market caps fall close to 90% from peak to trough. That's roughly $800 billion to roughly $80 billion. From the trough, however, the market roared back and then some. The final low was hit in March of 2020. During the midst of the corona pandemic crash. A little over a year later, and the aggregate crypto market has blown past its last peak and hit $2.6 trillion. That's a 20 times increase.
Ethereum went 53 times its trough, and BNB also went 155 times during the same period. Any asset that can do that will do that with extreme volatility. Veteran investors in crypto have been through this 10 times over and still remain crypto investors. Why is that? It's because they understand the potential of the technology, the innovation, and the speed. They accept volatility as a given and manage their portfolio and expectations accordingly. As of this moment, the current market condition does not have the technical characteristics of a bear market. A correction like this is healthy and should be welcomed. Anxiety about corrections keeps new retail and institutional investors away. This is the first time since the bull market that we've had a proper pullback, and in almost all scenarios, I hear the word opportunity. New long-term capital will use this as an opportunity to enter the market, and the next run-up will be stronger and longer lasting thanks to it. So what can you do to stay ahead of the markets? Have a process that gives you comfort under any circumstances. Do your own research and due diligence. Invest in projects that create value. Manage your portfolio prudently. And above all else, have faith and trust that all will be well over time. So let's talk about our development timelines. For our Vault product, Jimmy has been working hard on the background to finish our first core products. By the end of May, we should be expected to complete the smart contract and unit testing. And starting in the first week of June, we'll be launching on the testnet to study the smart contract execution and look for bugs, observe performance, and do any necessary tweaks. The third week of June, we'll be looking for community members with developer skills to join Jimmy in going over the smart contracts and testing to get a second opinion. Ensuring safety, vulnerability, and execution works to industry standard. Certic starts auditing our contracts in this third week of June as well. We'll iterate with them if they have comments to make requested adjustments. And hopefully, by the end of June and the 1st of July, we'll be launching our first Vault product. For the website, we're redesigning the website to provide a more in-depth understanding of the product, our tokenomics, governance, and other relevant information. Our current expectation for the website is May 24th. We'll be hiring a new front-end developer to work on programming the design. His expectation is to complete the makeover by Monday. And in the week of the 24th, once the front page is done, we'll need to do a makeover to the DApp, our decentralized application or dashboard, and we expect that to be done over the course of the week. Note, we have already designed the product pages, and we'll have that up and running without delay once the product's complete. As far as our mascot, we've taken the community's inputs and finalized the mascot to be a low poly-styled jaybird, or a blue jay for any Americans. It speaks to us on multiple levels from beauty, colors, and the symbolic message.
The low poly minimalist style will also allow us to create animated media like videos as a teaser in the future. So in the week of the May 24th, the designers shall be working on this and will be expected to complete it in that week. Myself, DJ, and Raphael have taken the liberty of making some tweaks and updating some of the documents. You can find that at docs.feeder.finance. For our marketing, we've launched a new proposal, and that proposal is named FFP3, Shifting Marketing Focus. So we've launched a proposal that we'd like to ask the community to allow us to proceed with the funds that we voted on during our last proposal for other marketing purposes as we end our pursuit of a vault partnership strategy. The vote will take place on May 25th, so please make sure you study the proposal and cast your vote. As a brief, market conditions have changed, and as of late, we need more than the available funds to provide our partner with a booster. It would also mean we'd forgo our ability to do most other marketing initiatives. Ultimately, we'd be putting all of our eggs in one basket, and it simply doesn't make sense to us. So, instead, what we have planned is a pre-launch marketing initiative. Using the available funds, we'll try to start these as soon as possible. This will involve a KOL strategy, using our new website and our new video teaser to approach influencers in the space. And we'd like to attract existing DeFi investors as new holders of feed, but ultimately also as vault users. And we'll start with less influential, influencers to be able to minimize costs and move on to the top tier influencers after we've launched our vault products. For this effort, we've asked the community for any suggestions they might have for our influencers, and we have the appropriate channels set up, Telegram or Discord, to be able to air those suggestions. We look forward to hearing from you. Our second strategy in the pre-launch marketing initiative is media. We are in contact with Cointelegraph, and we're trying to proceed with a sponsored article to be published on the day our product launches to maximize our exposure. And we're also working on video teasers for a DeFi audience and for a non-DeFi audience. We want to be able to hit both markets, and to do so efficiently means we need two different types of video teasers. In other news, we've also released two publications, It Takes Two to Tango and How to Buy Your First Crypto. And in Patrick's response to trying to understand the price dynamics of feed, he's written a short article to highlight the downside of having a single liquidity pool with a non-stable token. As the prices are quoted in USD but traded in BNB, our prices are not isolated from the BNB price, and its decline has a USD impact on feed's price as well. One way to help reduce this would be to give arbitrageurs the tools to balance the price and demand/supply. This would be by adding another liquidity pool, more specifically a feed and Binance USD pool. We'll revisit this again, but we really would like to gather your thoughts and see what the community thinks about sponsoring a second liquidity pool for feed Binance US dollar. The second publication, How to Buy Your First Crypto, was created by our moderator Raphael, and he's done a great job in summarizing and making it as easy as possible to first create a crypto wallet, buy your first cryptocurrencies, and send it to the crypto wallet. We also have other exciting guides to help you be able to buy feed, provide liquidity, and even how to farm and stake. You can find all those and more at docs.feeder.finance. Lastly, for our community, we've noticed an increase in our Asiatic users and even just in the global community as a whole. We have created two new Telegram groups catered to specific countries. We have the Brazilian/Portuguese, and we've also added a Turkish Telegram channels. Thank you to everyone for your time. My name is DJ, and if you've made it this far, I'd just like to thank you for your continued support of this project.
we're going to do a lot of great things here, people, and I'm glad you're a part of it. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.